Hello everyone, this is my exercise 8. Um, excuse that. Exercise 8. Um, what- alright, sorry about that. This is my exercise 8 presentation. My name is Nathan Kotis and I'm on team 3 with Mark, Freddie, Savannah, and Sophie. And in this presentation I'll be talking about predictive modeling with classification and regression trees. So with that we'll get started. So the confusion matrix. So using the data in figure 810, we found that when building a confusion matrix and calculating the precision of it in specificity, sensitivity, accuracy, and F1 score on the decision tree. So to the right here, we can see that the F1 score is 0.76 and the misclassification rate is 17.88%. And there's some other numbers, as you can see on here, but I won't go through all of them. I'll go ahead and move to the next slide. So the decision tree modeling of employee attrition data. Um, so the questions we were asking were, what predictive model does SAS propose? And then also, what interpretation do you make of the model with regard to the predictors? And so this is our dashboard here using the attrition set. And we can see a couple different things here. And the variable importance, the top right, we can see that monthly income was considered the most important, and then overtime, and then job role, age, and total working years. And then in the tree, we can see that overtime is at the very top, and then the confusion matrix, we can see what was observed and what was predicted, and then the numbers that correlate with those observations. And so, continuing on, we can analyze the confusion matrix and comment on the performance of the model. So, the accuracy, false negatives, false positives, and other things as well. And so, when looking at these numbers, it's important to note that the precision is at the bottom, those negative and predictive value and the positive predictive value, and then the sensitivity is to the right. So when you want to look at these and understand them, it's important to look at these numbers. And then after looking at this, we thought, how well does the decision model perform compared to the logistic regression model that we created in chapter 7? And so when thinking about that, we thought that it performed pretty well, although the logistic regression was it also performed well, but this one was a little bit more uh, better predictive than the logistic regression. And so there's just a couple other things I can talk about on the slide, that such as the F1 score again is 0.51, the misclassification rate is 0.117. So with all that being said, this was a good exercise to perform, and I'm excited to see what we have in the future. Thank you for watching my presentation.